Yo, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Wednesday night, it's 9:29 PM. Punta tayo, samahan nyo ako sandali kay Mr. Sarap Vlogs aka Max Garage Detailing. Papa-wash lang natin tong tuwono bago natin isoli kay Jason. Nauwi na natin yung Monster kanina galing sa Ducati. Kaso, nakalimutan ko, binunot ko pala yung memory card ko sa Ace Pro. Kaya wala tayo. Hindi ko na vlog kanina yon. Medyo late na rin ngayon, 9:30. Alam ko maaga nagpapahinga si Jason, tsaka syempre nagpapagaling din siya dun sa surgery niya. Kaya most likely bukas pa natin ito masusoli. Pero at least ma-out of the way na natin yung car wash niya. So bukas gasolina na lang, tapos soli na natin siya. I think may mga tropa din tayong nandyan sa Max Garage ngayon nakatambay, or may gagawin sila sa motor, I'm not sure. O, nagsabi naman tayo kay Mr. Sarap na parating tayo at mapapawash natin to agad. Kasi syempre ito lang yung transportation natin tonight. Kailangan din natin siyang iuwi. Open Sesame. Ha? Sir.
Magawa sa bahay. Oh, what's up, bro?
You need a cold shower to snap out of the illusion. I'ma be the one to send you to that conclusion. You don't even see it coming till shit hits the fan. Hey, you just walk around it all day long like it's a plan. Easy, easy now. Easy, easy, easy now. Easy. Your girlfriend's gonna love it that you play and you bend. Yeah. Do you even have one? If you don't, I'll understand. I ain't gonna tell you nothing, I'm too scared to get fired. I need this stuff so bad, I just wanna be admired. Easy, easy now. Easy, maybe easy now. Easy.
Susi, susi. Happy birthday. Wala kang gloves? Yay! Bye! So that's all she wrote for tonight. Tapos na ang aming bike wash and tam bike session. Alam ko ako lang dapat yung magpapa-bike wash kasi nga isusoli na natin itong tuwono. Pero nagkaroon pa ng dalawang customer, si Kuya Bjorn sa kanyang Pikes Peak at si Kuya Renan sa Street Fighter niya. Nagpa-car wash na rin sila, or nagpa-bike wash na rin sila, I'm sorry. It's 11:40. Sayang hindi na ako makapag-stay kasi inaantay na tayo sa bahay. May pasok pa tayo bukas. Pero in 20 minutes birthday na ni Omark TV. Kaya Sa mga nanonood dyan, paki-comment na lang yung happy birthday natin kay Omar TV. And congratulate na rin natin sa kanyang new bike. Yung post dapat parating na yan. Actually sa post na to, obviously nakita nyo kanina, nandun yung bike niya dinala. Pero sana bago lumabas tong video na to, lumabas na rin yung video niya. Kasi mas maganda kung siya mag-reveal, di ba? Tapos na ang ating gala or ang ating errand to get this bike washed. And that's it on its full glory. Maraming salamat Jason for letting me use this bike. I really enjoyed it. So tomorrow or the next day, we'll put gas and then we're gonna deliver it to his house. Yo, we are back. Well, it's time to return this bike. Nandito tayo sa gas station na ngayon. Papagasan na natin siya. So, tapos na siyang mahugasan ni Mr. Sarok Vlogs ng Mox Garage Detailing. Ngayon, isusoli na natin siya. The crazy part is, no car wash. It's already been done. Thank you for your reminder, bro. The crazy part is, that was already 4 days ago. Wednesday night natin itong pinuhugasan. Sunday na ng gabi ngayon. Sorry guys. Wala.
You have a girlfriend?
I'm married.
Are you married?
Yes.
Nice bike.
It's not mine.
Too bad.
Oh shit. Buy me one. So as I was saying kanina, nabunot kasi yung microphone natin. Nilapitan kasi tayo ni Mrs. Sinisi pa siya. Tonight is the night na isasoli na natin tong motor. Pero actually, binlog natin na hinugasan to. Nung hinugasan tong bike, that was Wednesday night. Today, it's already Sunday. It took me 4 days bago natin maituloy yung vlog, tsaka bago ko maisoli. Actually, tapos na yung from the part na umuwi tayo galing doon sa wash. Pero hindi ko siya tinuloy kasi gusto ko nga sana na i-vlog din yung pagsoli natin ng motor. Kasi na-vlog natin yung nakuha natin yung motor, i-vlog din natin yung pagsoli natin, di ba? Para kompleto yung series.
Destination is on your left.
Ayun yung truck niya, Raptor F-150. Thank you for the awesome time with you. Super saya mo gamitin. Medyo naalikabukan na siya sa bahay kasi hindi nga siya nagamit ng 4 days. Dapat tinakpan ko talaga siya. Pero at least may gagawin siya. Punas-punasan niya yung motor niya kahit hindi niya magamit. Yo! How is it? You cannot take it off?
I can. So that's
Yeah, you look like Frankenstein.
I know, right?
She.
Basically, it's meant to make sure I don't bend, twist.
Yeah. All right. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
You got more Legos to play with now.
Hell yeah.
It's probably take some time though. At least
Yes,
2-3 days. Show her the. They didn't go to the back. They went to the front.
Oh my
So what you see really is the marking for the marker.
Yeah.
So they know where
Yeah,
to cut.
but that's gonna disappear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Over top of it is what they call Durabond.
Yeah.
So basically like glue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No stitches, just glue.
Also, there's not even gonna be a mark when it heals.
There'll be a scar, but
Yeah.
but no stitches. Yeah.
She just got off work too, so
Okay. Thank you, sir.
all right.